Mastering Inseparable Phrasal Verbs, your gateway to advanced English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of inseparable phrasal verbs. We're going to define what they are, look at some examples, and learn how to use them correctly. Let's get started. First off, let's recall what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb is a verb that is combined with a preposition or an adverb. It's unique because when these words are used together, they often have a different meaning than if you use them separately. Understanding phrasal verbs is vital to mastering English, as they are very common in both spoken and written language. Now, let's focus on inseparable phrasal verbs. These are phrasal verbs where the verb and the following preposition or adverb must stay together. In other words, you cannot separate them with additional words. The object of the verb, if there is one, must come after the preposition or adverb. Recognizing inseparable phrasal verbs can be a bit tricky because there's no clear-cut rule to identify them. The key is to practice and get familiar with them. For example, verbs like run into, go over, and come across are all inseparable. You wouldn't say run someone into, you would say run into someone. To truly master inseparable phrasal verbs, you need to practice using them in sentences. Let's look at some examples. 1. Run into, I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. 2. Go over, we need to go over the report before the meeting. 3. Come across, she came across as very knowledgeable during her presentation. Notice how the verb and the preposition, adverb are always together and the object follows them. There you have it, folks. We've explored the concept of inseparable phrasal verbs today. Remember, the key to mastering them is practice and familiarity. Keep reading, writing, and speaking English, and soon you'll be using these like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!